Let's make this super easy one stitch stretchable comfortable baby beanie. For this we require a thin 4-ply yarn, any brand, and 3 mm hook. Make a slip knot and start making 44 chains. After completing 44 chains, I will add 2 more chains, but before that I will measure and it will be around 7.5 inch. This is the height of the cap. Now add 2 chains, yarn over, skip those 2 chains, and in the third chain make a double crochet. Continue making double crochet in all the chains. Yarn over, insert in the chain, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over again, pull through 2 loops. So this is double crochet. Complete all the chains in the same way. So here you can see I have come halfway. Now do the remaining chains. Last chain. This completes our first row. Now to move on to the second row, add 2 chains and turn your work. The 2 chains that we have added, along with that I will skip one more chain. 1, 2 and 3. Now in the fourth chain make a double crochet in the back loop. You can see the chain. We are not inserting under the chain but in between and in the back loop. Here is where I will place my hook. After a few stitches, this is how the front and the back looks. Now we will start making double crochet in back loop only and complete the row. So the last chain is always important because this decides whether our work will remain straight. So always remember the last chain and the first chain are very important. Here I have completed my last chain. Because it's a turning chain, you might get confused, but if you do it carefully, your sides will be straight. So moving on to the next row, here again I will add 2 chains and skip 3 chains. In the fourth chain and in the back loop, I am going to make double crochet and continue the same throughout. Don't forget the last chain. Be very careful while doing the last chain and the first chain of the next row. This is how it looks after a few rows. It's the same stitch, same row, repeat. You can see the sides, they are straight, and we have made 33 rows. This will be around 12.5 inches. So this is the circumference of the head of the newborn child. This is for 0 to 3 months. Now to end, we will just make a chain, cut the yarn and pull out. We are leaving a long tail because we will be using the same yarn for stitching the sides. Now whichever side you want to keep it in front, you will decide and then start stitching on the inside. Just insert the needle under 2 stitches, pull out on one side and take it out on the other side. We will repeat the same under all the chains like I have shown here. And stitch the entire side. Now just tie the knot and cut the remaining yarn. This is how it looks on the front, and this is where we have stitched. With the same yarn, I am going to stitch the upper part of the cap. So by making running chains, holding both the sides together and just run the needle like I am showing it and complete the top part. After pulling the thread, hold it together so the top part closes and make a few stitches to secure the top. Now to give this a beautiful little pom-pom look, just take the same yarn, fold it around 3 fingers and make 30 to 40 rounds. It depends on how thick or thin you want the pom-pom to be. Here I have taken 30 rounds. To place the pom-pom, we will insert the needle from inside and place the pom-pom on top exactly where we have made the gathering and stitch it together. With this, we have completed a baby cap. For more such cute, easy and beginner friendly step by step tutorial, like, share and subscribe.